Unlock the secret to financial freedom with these 8 simple yet effective ways to create multiple streams of passive income. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create multiple streams of passive income. Passive income is income that is earned with little to no effort on your part, and it's a great way to build wealth and financial independence. The key to creating multiple streams of passive income is to diversify your sources of income so that you're not relying on just one source of income. In this video, we'll cover some of the best ways to create multiple streams of passive income so that you can start earning money while you sleep. Number 1. Create a blog or website. Creating a blog or website is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. By building an online presence and attracting an audience, you can monetize your blog or website through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other methods. Firstly, you'll need to choose a niche or topic for your blog or website that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. You'll also need to select a platform for your blog or website, such as WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, and create high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Once you've built up a significant following, you can monetize your blog or website through various methods, such as display advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or printable. While creating a blog or website may take time and effort, it can be a highly profitable way to generate passive income if you're willing to put in the work and consistently produce high-quality content. Number 2. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another great way to create a stream of passive income. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders, usually in the form of cash, and are typically paid out on a regular basis. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a regular income without having to sell your shares. To get started, you'll need to do some research and select stocks that have a strong track record of paying dividends and have the potential to increase their dividend payments over time. While investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a reliable source of passive income, it's important to remember that stock prices can fluctuate and that there is always some level of risk involved in investing. As with any investment, it's important to do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor to ensure that you are making an informed investment decision that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. Rent out property. Renting out property is a popular way to generate passive income, particularly for those who own real estate. By renting out a property, you can earn a regular stream of income without having to actively work for it. To begin, you'll need to purchase or own a property that you can rent out. Once you have found a tenant, you can earn a regular income from the rent payments. Renting out property can be a lucrative source of passive income, but it's important to carefully consider the costs and responsibilities involved before making the decision to become a landlord. It's also important to do your due diligence and familiarize yourself with local rental laws and regulations to ensure that you are complying with all necessary requirements. Number 4. Create an online course. Creating an online course can be a great way to earn passive income while sharing your expertise with others. Online courses are a popular way for people to learn new skills and information, and you can create a course on almost any topic you're knowledgeable about. To create an online course, you'll need to choose a topic and plan out the course content, including lessons, assignments, and quizzes. You'll also need to choose a platform to host your course, such as Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. Once your course is complete, you can earn passive income by selling access to it online. You can price your course based on its length, complexity, and the value it provides to your students. You can also offer discounts or promotions to attract new students. Number 5. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a fun and creative way to earn passive income. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and it attracts billions of viewers every day. By creating content that people want to watch, you can earn passive income through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. For a successful YouTube channel, you'll need to choose a topic or niche that you're passionate about and that has a large enough audience to support your channel. You'll also need to create high-quality content that is engaging and provides value to your viewers. As your channel grows, you can begin to monetize it through various means. YouTube's partner program allows you to earn money through advertising revenue, while sponsorships and merchandise sales can provide additional sources of income. You can also use your channel as a platform to promote your other products or services, such as online courses, ebooks, or consulting services. Number 6. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a great way to earn passive income while sharing your expertise with others. Ebooks are digital books that can be downloaded and read on a variety of devices, such as e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. To write an ebook, you'll need to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that has a large enough audience to support your book. You'll also need to write high-quality content that is informative, engaging, and well-organized. Once your ebook is complete, you can sell it on various online platforms, such as Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or Apple's iBooks. You can price your book based on its length, complexity, and the value it provides to your readers. You can also offer promotions or discounts to attract new readers. With the right marketing and promotion, you can attract a large audience and earn income from your book for years to come. Number 7. Sell digital products. Selling digital products can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Digital products are products that can be delivered online, such as software, music, graphics, and templates. To sell digital products, you'll need to create high-quality products that provide value to your customers. You can use various tools and software to create digital products, such as Adobe Creative Suite, Canva, or WordPress. Once your digital products are complete, you can sell them on various online platforms, such as Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. You can price your products based on their complexity, quality, and the value they provide to your customers. You can also offer promotions or discounts to attract new customers. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent way to earn passive income. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a popular way to earn passive income because you don't need to create your own products or services. To become an affiliate marketer, you'll need to find a niche and products that align with your audience's interests. You can promote products through your blog, website, social media, or email marketing. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Commissions can vary depending on the product or service and the affiliate program. We hope that you found this video helpful in your journey towards creating multiple streams of passive income. By exploring the options discussed in this video and finding the ones that work best for you, you can start building a profitable stream of passive income. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and online business. Thanks for watching.